Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, Mr. Abdurrahman. How are you?
I am fine. And
Okay.
you?
How is your health right now?
Alhamdulillah, my health is little bit fine.
Okay. Okay, great. So you can open your camera. Okay. It will be better.
Okay, okay, brother.
Yes. So now you are feeling well. Okay, great. And everything is going well, smoothly. Hello, Mr. Abdurrahman. Are you there?
Yes, brother. I am
Are you wearing
present.
something?
Why do you want to say me?
Are you wearing something to just open your camera? Like you always say, like I don't have anything
No, no, brother.
because I have implemented one rule, like need the camera open in the entire class. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay.
So this is the rule which I have implemented, and this is going to boost your confidence.
Yes, yes.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good evening, Iram Rizvi. How are you?
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm fine. What
Walaikum
about
salam.
you?
Yes, I'm awesome. Fantastic. Everything is going good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Abdurrahman, you turn off your camera. Yes, please keep on. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Danial Tahir, how are you? Hello.
Walaikum salam. I'm fine.
Okay, amazing. Everything is going smoothly?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's wait for others. Like Abdurrahman is there, Iram Rizvi is there, and Daniel Tahir. So he is a new student in our class. He joined today. Okay, I have already posted in the group. Hmm. So yes, Daniel, you are from Aligarh. Okay.
Yes, yes. Ji.
Okay. So like Atik sir, Atikur Rahman sir recommended your name. Like he wants to improve.
Oh, yes, yes.
So how he knows you, like friend?
Uh, my brother friends like they
Okay,
was
okay,
bro.
got it, got it. So Atikur
Ji.
Rahman, like Atikur Rahman, your brother's friend. So he
Yes.
recommended. Okay, got it. So like I would like to know like what you are doing right now in Aligarh Muslim University. Like which course you are doing?
Uh, I'm completed my B.Ed from.
Okay. Okay, so it means you have completed your B.Ed.
Yes, yes.
Okay, congratulations, great. So now, like what you are doing after completing your B.Ed, have you
I'm
enrolled in any course or just?
no, I'm searching and teaching.
Okay, okay, got it. So it means you have completed your B.Ed and now you are searching for the teaching to just
Yes,
enroll.
yes.
Okay, got it.
Ji.
Okay, Madiha is there. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Good evening, Madiha. How are you?
Assalamu alaikum, sir. How
Walaikum
are you?
salam.
I'm good.
So, Madiha, you are 4 minutes late. Why it's so?
बिकॉज मतलब गैस चला गया था तो थोड़ा प्रश्न था इसमें, थोड़ा लेट हो गया आज।
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, it's okay. If you are going to be late for one day, but if you are going to make it habit, it is bad. Okay.
okay,
Yes.
next time से नहीं होगा।
Okay. So I think no one is going to join the class because Mr. Hamdan, he is on leave from today, and Iram Khan, she will join from Monday, and Sheikh Asif is busy with his grandfather. He is in the hospital right now.
Hmm.
Mr. Abdur Rahman is there. So we are going to just start our class. Okay. So yes, Mr. Daniel Tahir is there. So just I'm going to briefly introduce some important points about the class. So we are going to start, okay? Because he is new in the class. So yes, Mr. Daniel Tahir, what we are
Yes.
doing in the class every day. Just I'm going to give the brief introduction about the class, okay?
Yeah,
So
okay.
like every day, we are taking the live classes here, like you
Oh,
are able to see. So first we are learning about the grammar, okay? Because
okay.
the grammar is also important for speaking English. So we are learning half an hour grammar. After that,
Oh,
we move on the newspaper reading part. Every day we are reading news, and we are
okay.
understanding the news, like vocabulary of the news, entire news, okay? This is the
Okay.
second activity which we are doing in the class. And if I talk about the third activity which is compulsory for every day, we are talking on different topics every day.
Okay.
Every day we are talking on different topics. I will give the topic in the group every day in the morning. You have to just prepare about that topic and you have to speak on that particular topic.
Okay.
So like every day different topics, and on Saturday there will be a debate session. Only
Oh,
one day, okay? One day in a week there will be a debate session. So
okay.
this is the activity of our class, okay? Yes, and also there are some rules which I have sent in the group. So I hope if you read it or not, I am not aware about it, but you
Please
have to
read it.
read about the
I'll
rules,
read it.
okay?
Yes.
Okay, if you have read it, so it's great. There are 10 rules which we are following strictly, okay? Because
Oh,
if there is no rule, anyone can do anything, okay? No one
yes.
is
Yes.
going to take anything seriously.
Yeah.
Because of
Yeah.
this, rules and guidelines exist, okay?
Okay.
Yes, and one more announcement I would like to tell. Like I'm inviting on Saturday chief guest. Like every month, I invite one chief guest to just share some valuable knowledge and his experiences. So our August month chief guest will be Abdul Mubin. I don't know how many of you have read the message. Yes, Abdurrahman, Iram Rizvi, Madiha, have you read the message in the group or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
brother. Yes.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So मैंने एक मैसेज पेस्ट किया है.
Yes.
Okay, कि 22nd of August, it is Saturday. On Saturday, I am inviting one guest, Abdul Mubin. He is from Bareilly, but he studied in Aligarh Muslim University for 5 to 6 years, and he's my like classmates also. So he is running his own coaching academy, and he has lots of knowledge about the politics and the language and everything. So I inspired by him. Because of this, I am inviting him as a chief guest. Okay. So about the chief guest, I would like to say, like, you can't miss the session of chief guest. Okay. This is very important. This is compulsory for everyone. If someone is on leave, he is also going to attend the class. Like Mr. Hamdan and Abu Bakr on leave, I will talk to them. Like on the Saturday, you have to attend the session, because I am talking with them and they are giving their 1 hour, which is very precious. You all know, like everyone's time is precious. So if someone is giving, so we have to value his time. And one more thing I would like to tell you, there is a one person who is very fluent in English speaking. So I was just asking him, can you come in the class as a chief guest? I would like to invite you. He said, I will charge 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees he will charge as a chief guest. So I said, I can't bear right now, but in the future I can say. So can you imagine, like, someone is giving the time and someone also demanding the money to just come here and give the speech? Because if you are going to if someone is going to share his life experience, like how he learned the language, what are the difficulties he faced, and how he is able to speak fluently, this is very precious, this is priceless, you can say, because experiences are priceless. You can't like count in the money. Are you all able to got it or not? It is clear?
I have got it.
Okay, so it should be
Yes, I
clear.
got it.
Yes, it is very clear. Like this is very important session, guest session in a month. Every month we are doing a guest session, so you have to value it. You have to attend it. देर इज नो ऑप्शन. लाइक मैं मार्केट में गया था, मैं बीमार, मेरा सर दर्द कर रहा है, पेट दर्द कर रहा है, मैं भूल गया. नो, आई डोंट नीड एनी टाइप ऑफ एक्सक्यूजेस इन द गेस्ट सेशन. मेक इट वेरी क्लियर. क्लियर है सबको?
Okay.
Yes, because I have also shared like why it is very important. I am talking with someone, he is giving 1 hour, so we have to value. Okay, so on Saturday 2nd of 22nd of August, मतलब आज थर्सडे है, कल फ्राइडे, एंड परसों जो है हमारा 22 अगस्त को गेस्ट सेशन है. टाइमिंग यही रहेगा सेम, ठीक है. और वन मोर थिंग, our timing will change, our class timing will change from Monday 24 of August. Every month, like my class timing changes because I am a working professional. I am working in MNC, so my shift timing changes every month. Like this month I am doing morning shift, and next month I am going to do the evening shift. In any month I am doing night shift. Because of this, I have to you also have to manage it. So next from 24th August, our timing will be from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. 2 p.m. से 3 p.m. तक. Clear? It is clear?
Okay. Yes, yes, clear.
Yes. And this is the
Okay,
this is the
Varda.
reason. Okay, this is the reason why the timing will change. हर month मतलब ऐसा change होता है हमारा, ठीक है, उसके हिसाब से. So now we are going to start our class. Let's start. So the timing is like comfortable for everyone, like Mr. Abdur Rahman, Iram Rizvi, Danial, and Madiha said yesterday, like it is not comfortable for me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And you all? This is comfortable or not? Yes. Abdur Rahman didn't speak anything. And Daniel Tahir, how like
Yes,
what do you
yes,
think? What do you
completely
think
yes,
about this timing? Comfortable?
yes, yes, comfortable.
Okay. Yes, I can understand. Like in students' life, you have lots of time. Like if it may be like you are attending the class from 8 or 7 p.m. to the 1 p.m. in the morning, in the afternoon. So you are going to get the timing from like 1 to night, whenever you're going to sleep. Okay. So let's start. So yes, like I would like to say to Daniel Tahir, like I have designed the grammar lecture, which is, this is the table of content. This is the like entire curriculum of the grammar which we are following right now. There are 3 categories: beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. So now we are learning about the 12 chapters. Okay.
Okay.
We are learning about the 12th chapter, like parts of speech overview. So you don't have to worry about all these chapters. We will complete one by one. I will share you the PDF from there. You have to read it. If you are facing any difficulty, we are going to just conduct one special session for you. Okay? On Sunday
Okay.
or
Okay,
any
sir.
day. Yes. And everything will be
Okay.
same. Like we are learning grammar. So after grammar, we will read the newspaper and we will learn the vocabulary, which is normal, which is same for every student. And if we are going to speak, this is also same for everyone. The grammar, which is the like we are reading, so we you are going to cover from the 0 to 11. Okay, and after
Okay.
2 chapters or 3 chapters, there will be one test, like MCQs test and speaking test.
Okay.
I will demonstrate about you later. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So 11th. Yes. So now we are learning about the 12th chapter, which is about the parts of speech overview. And yesterday we completed our noun and pronoun. Today we are going to learn about the verb. Okay. Yes. So who is going to read? Yes, Madiha, can you read it for me? Like verb?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chapter 5 verb definition. A verb is a word that shows an action, occurrence, or state of being. The verb is often called the heart of the sentence because no sentence is complete without one. Verb tell us what the subject does, has, or is.
Okay.
Like type of
Okay. Have
verbs.
you got it?
Type.
Whatever you read about the verb or definition. So can you tell in simple line like what is verb? Verb क्या है? Are you able to understand or just you read it?
थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आया बट
Okay. So you
पूरा
can
अच्छे से नहीं
just tell in your word. मतलब क्या समझ में आया? Verb क्या है? What is verb?
वर्ब में जिसमें भी अगर ऐसा हैज मतलब कोई चीज को हम लोग नाम से नहीं लेकिन उसको हम लोग बता रहे कि इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे जैसे डज ऐसा कुछ लगेगा
नहीं,
मतलब ही
वर्ब नहीं
हैज
है। अरे यहाँ पे आपको आंसर मिल गया ना। दिस इज आंसर। ए वर्ब इज ए वर्ड दैट शोज एन
एक्शन
एक्शन।
एक्शन जो दिखा रहा है यस यस
तो
यस
मतलब
हाँ
अभी
समझ
तो
गई ये वाली
जो तुम पढ़ रही थी, वो मतलब सो के पढ़ रही, दिमाग कहीं और था, यहाँ पे पढ़ रही थी ऐसा।
नहीं मैं
इफ
डेफिनेशन
यू
मतलब पढ़ने के बाद में ये दूसरा सेंटेंस है मैं उसको पढ़ के देख रही थी
इफ
लेकिन वो
यू आर
भी
रीडिंग
हाँ
सो
कोई एक्टिविटी या कोई
जस्ट
चीज को बताते हैं
बी प्रेजेंट देयर। ओके, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हम यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है लेकिन मेरा माइंड कहीं और प्रेजेंट है। सो सिंपल सा वर्ब आपने स्कूल में भी पढ़ा होगा। वर्ब इज ए वर्ड दैट
हाँ
शोज एन एक्शन। जो एक्शन बताता है उसको वर्ब बोलते हैं। जैसे रन।
यस यस
हाँ, जैसे ही रन्स, वो दौड़ता है। रन्स क्या है? वर्ब। ठीक है। आई वॉक, आई वॉक में चलता हूं। वो वॉक क्या है? वर्ब। सिंपल। यस, नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट रीडिंग फ्रॉम देयर। अब वर्ब समझ में आया क्या है?
यस
सो प्लीज वी आर
टाइप
नॉट हियर टू जस्ट रीड। हमको सिर्फ यहाँ पे पढ़ना नहीं है, हमको समझना है। ठीक है, स्कूल में तुमने पढ़ लिया है, 5 क्लास में 8 क्लास में तुमने पढ़ लिया है। अभी यहाँ पे समझना है, क्योंकि कुछ भी अगर आप पढ़ रहे हो ना, उसके बाद मैं पूछने वाला हूँ व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड। तुमको क्या समझ में आया? कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं कि तुम सिर्फ पढ़ रहे हो बस समझ नहीं रहे हो कुछ भी। सो द मेन इंटेंशन इज टू अंडरस्टैंड। ठीक है। यस, and if you are unable
टाइप
to
ऑफ
understand, please ask immediately. Yes,
ओके
types of
टाइप्स
verbs.
ऑफ वर्ब
Hmm.
टाइप्स फंक्शन एंड एग्जांपल टाइप्स एक्शन वर्ब function shows a physical mental action example run eat think write linking verb connects subject to complement is am are seem become transit verb needs an
Transitive,
object
transitive verb.
transit transitive verb needs an object to complete meaning she reads a book intransitive verb does not need an object he sleeps he auxiliary ना
Auxiliary, auxiliary or helping verb, this is called.
Support the main verb is, has, will do, can. Modal verb shows possibility, ability, and permission. Can, could, may, must, should.
Okay, good. Yes. So now you got about the verb, like what is verb and types of verbs are there, like action verb, linking verb, transitive or intransitive verb, auxiliary verb, which is called the helping verb. Okay, you don't have to confuse about auxiliary. Auxiliary means helping verbs and modal verbs. So there are types of verbs are there, and there are some examples about it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, you can
Helping
complete.
verb.
You can complete till there. Yes.
Okay. Helping verbs and modal verbs. Helping verbs be, do, have combined with the main verb to form tense, question, and negatives. Example: she is working. Do you know him? Modal verbs can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, be, would. Add meanings like ability, permission, possibility, and obligation, and are always followed by the base form of the verb. Example: you must submit the form.
Okay, great. Amazing. So yes, we learn about the verbs. Let's see what is next. So yes, Iram Rizvi, can you start reading from there like verb forms V1, V5? Yes.
Sure, sir. Verb forms V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Go, went, gone, going, goes. Eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. Write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Speak, spoke, spoken, speaking, speaks.
Okay. So there are five forms of verb.
Yes,
V1,
sir.
V2, V3, V4. So, like in most of the books, you are going to get the three forms, like first, second, third.
Yes, sir.
So, from where? Four or fifth camp?
Sir,
Yes.
like fifth one is from present indefinite and fourth one is from present continuous, in my opinion.
Yes. So, yes, you are right. So, if you are going to read any grammar book, English grammar book, so you may, maybe it may be happen like you are going to get only three verbs, like V1, V2, V3. सो यू डोंट हैव टू कंफ्यूज अबाउट V4 इन्होंने बना दिया है V4 जो कि आईएनजी फॉर्म बना दिया है कॉन्टिन्यूस में हम जो यूज करते हैं इसको V4 का नाम दे दिया है और V5 जब हम प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट पढ़ेंगे तो उसमें एस या ईएस जो लगाते हैं उसको V5 का नाम दे दिया है ठीक है सिंपल क्लियर अरे कुछ बोलो तो यस नो
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, yes. So basically there are five forms which you can remember. V1 go, V2 went, and V3 past participle which is gone and going. V4 going ing form for continuous, and V5 goes which is we are using about the present indefinite. Okay. Yes. So go. So is there anyone who can tell in which tense we are going to use all these verb forms? Like go हम किस tense में use करेंगे? Went किस tense में हम use करते हैं? Gone, going, goes. Is there anyone जो बता सकता है?
So may I?
Okay. Yes.
Sir, we use go in simple present tense sentence, present indefinite, and went we use in simple.
Go. Okay. Present indefinite में go use करते हैं ना?
जी जी.
Go
And
goes भी तो use
went.
करते हैं.
Yes, sir. Depend on subject. If
Yes.
subject is G.
Yes. Yes.
And went in past indefinite.
Okay.
And third one gone in past perfect.
Yes.
Yes, sir. And second similar thing happened with others also.
V4,
Yes,
V5.
sir. Yes, sir. V4, V5, V4 using present continuous like going, eating, writing, speaking, ing, and
Only
we
present
5 are,
continuous.
sir, yes sir, here present continuous, and if we no sir,
No,
all
you are
tense,
correct.
in all
50%
tenses.
you are correct. You said like we are using in present continuous. I am just asking
Yes
only in
sir.
present continuous or in past continuous also or in future continuous also.
Yes sir, in future and past continuous also.
Yes, yes.
Yes
And
sir, and last one present
okay.
indefinite.
Yes, great. Let's clap for Iram Rizvi. Yes. So I hope you know about the tenses. Okay. Your tense is clear. So everyone got,
Yes.
मतलब सबको समझ में आया कि नहीं? If okay, like in further chapter or next chapter, we will learn about the tenses deeply. But this is clear, I think, कि ये जो verbs है पूरा खेल जो है वर्ब्स का है. आप टेंस बनाने जाओगे ना तो हम उसमें क्या करते हैं, हेल्पिंग वर्ब और वर्ब्स को ही चेंज करते हैं. ठीक है, यही दो चीज करते हैं, टेंस का मीनिंग चेंज हो जाता है. ठीक है. सो यस, दिस इज अबाउट द वर्ब्स. अभी पता चल गया कि हाउ मेनी फॉर्म्स आर देयर ऑफ वर्ब्स, वर्ब के कितने फॉर्म होते हैं. ठीक है. So this is about the adjective. So I think we are not going to start the adjective today. We will start tomorrow. Yes, what do you think? Adjective, adverb. बोलो क्या सोचते हो? Verb. Should we start? Yes.
Yes sir, we can.
Yes.
Okay, so it's 9:56. Okay, 10 to 5. Okay, so okay, Daniel, are you there?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so can you read it for me, like adjective?
Yes, sir, sure. Uh, Adjective definition. An adjective is a word that describes or gives more information about a noun or pronoun.
Mhm.
Adjectives add color and detail to our speech. Instead of saying she has a car, we can say she has a beautiful red car. The adjectives make the sentence far more descriptive and interesting.
Okay, great. So you are also reading very well. So did you got like what is adjective? Can you describe in your own word कि descriptive क्या adjective क्या होता है?
Adjectives are जो है
No, yes. You don't have
कोई
to
भी
fear,
चीज को सर
okay? मतलब आपको डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आप बिंदास बोलो. ठीक है, क्लास में. We are here. Anyone is not going to judge you, okay? We are here to learn, and everyone is learning there. I am also learning, okay? So you have to just tell, like, what did you understand by the adjective? क्योंकि हमको यहाँ पे ना सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं है, हमको समझना है कि समझ में क्या है, एडजेक्टिव का मीनिंग क्या है.
एडजेक्टिव का सर जो है किसी भी चीज को खूबसूरत वे में बयान करना मतलब.
Okay, yes, good, but it is not 100% correct, I can say. लेकिन ठीक है, आपने ट्राई किया. So adjective, आप अब अगर definition देखोगे, an adjective is a word that describes or
May I tell
give.
you?
हाँ, would you like to say
May I
something?
tell you?
Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman,
May I
you can
tell
tell.
you?
Yes, tell.
एडजेक्टिव एक ऐसा वर्ड है जो बयान करता है और हमें देता है ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट नाउन और प्रोनाउन का.
Okay, yes. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, thank you for telling, and it is great. Like adjective, an adjective is a word that describes or give more information. जो डिस्क्राइब करता है या और इंफॉर्मेशन देता है नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में. ठीक है, सिंपल. जैसे यहाँ पे क्या एक एग्जाम्पल भी दिया है, शी हैज ए कार. ठीक है, उसने बताया कि उसके पास एक कार है. वी कैन से शी हैज ए ब्यूटीफुल रेड कार. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे क्या किया इन्होंने, शी क्या है हमारा प्रोनाउन है, शी प्रोनाउन है ना.
यस.
सो शी प्रोनाउन है और शी के बारे में यहाँ पे एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है ब्यूटीफुल एंड रेड, जो कि यहाँ पे नहीं था। यहाँ पे क्या था, शी अपना प्रोनाउन है और वहां पे बताया कि उसके पास एक कार है। अभी यहाँ पे बताया कि उसके पास एक ब्यूटीफुल रेड कलर की कार है। नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में कोई भी एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन देगा या उसको डिस्क्राइब करेगा, उसी को हम एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं, ठीक है, जिसको हम उर्दू में
Yes, sir.
बोलते हैं सिफत। हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं आप बता दो, हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? ओके, सो एडजेक्टिव, आई होप इट इज क्लियर नाउ एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, ग्रेट। So like if I am going to give any example, like this mobile phone's color is green, हाँ, सो यहाँ पे ग्रीन क्या हो गया, एक मोबाइल फोन का जो नाउन है उसके बारे में एक एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन दे दिया, ग्रीन है, ठीक है, ग्रीन, रेड, ब्यूटीफुल, कुछ भी एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, इट मे बी एनीथिंग। यस, टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स।
Types of adjective, type, function, and examples. Uh, Descriptive, describe quality, and beautiful, tall, honest. And quantitative shows
क्वांटिटेटिव,
amount,
क्वांटिटेटिव,
quantitative shows amount and quality, some, much, many, little. Numeral shows number, order, one, first, second. Demonstrative
यस,
point out a specific noun. This, that, these, those. Possessive shows
पॉजेसिव, पॉजेसिव, पॉजेसिव,
possessive shows uh,
possession, possession,
shows possession. My, your, his, our.
yes,
Interrogative used to ask question, which, what, whose.
yes, great. Okay, amazing, you are reading very well. Okay, so just we, if we are reading anything, just we have to try to understand in our own word. ओके, हमें सिर्फ मतलब पढ़ करके आगे नहीं बढ़ जाना है, हमको ट्राई करना है कि हमने उससे क्या सीखा, हमने उससे क्या समझा। कैन आई टेल इन माय ओन वर्ड, क्या मैं अपने वर्ड में बता सकता हूँ 2 सेंटेंस में उसको क्या है, ठीक है, इस तरह से हमको पढ़ना है, ठीक है। सो दीज आर सम टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव। हमने एडजेक्टिव का डिफिनेशन देखा, एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है, उसके बाद हमने देखा टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव। देयर आर 2 to 4 6 टाइप्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, ठीक है, डिस्क्रिप्टिव, क्वांटिटेटिव, न्यूमरल, डिमोन्स्ट्रेटिव, पॉजेसिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव, ठीक है, 6 टाइप्स हैं जिसको हम अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस में यूज करके देखेंगे, ठीक है, एंड डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी विच इज the newspaper reading. We will start tomorrow from there. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Why it is taking so much time? Hmm? So have you all opened this image or not? So like every day I'm sending like this some images, which is very
Yes, sir.
beneficial if you are going to just open it and read it. Okay. Why this is important? Like introduce yourself, alternative ways to ask, introduce yourself. This is important because if you are going to appear in any interview, there is not only one way. He's not going to ask only okay, so introduce yourself. No, can you go through me by your resume and without anything he can ask, like there are some alternatives of telling or asking about the introduction. So you have to be aware about it. Okay, so you have to open. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, have you opened this image or not? मिस्टर अब्दुल तो बीमार थे ना अभी.
Yes, brother. Yes, brother.
So every day I am sending some images which is very useful. If you are going to open it and read it, you are going to get lots of benefits. Okay.
I was ill, but I used to see some vocabulary and new photos.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this news article we are going to read. This article is from Hindustan Times. यार ये तो मतलब एड्स इतने ज्यादा आ रहे हैं ना कि क्या बताऊं मैं. देख रहे हो, ओपन भी नहीं हो रहा है सही से. ओके, नाउ इट्स ओके. सो नाउ इट इज विजिबल, द पेज इज विजिबल फॉर एवरीवन.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to read this news today. Okay, बस यही रहने दो भाई. Yes. So Dimagi Naxal Party's Instagram account temporarily, visible?
No, sir.
Yes.
This is not visible. Now tell me, it is visible or not?
Visible, sir. Yes, visible.
Okay. So yes, Iram Rizvi, like if it is not visible for you, it may be like network issue. Okay. Please wait 30 seconds. It will be visible. Now it is visible.
सर बस आप लिख रहे हैं, वो स्लाइड नहीं लिख रही.
Okay. Mr. Abdurrahman, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, brother.
Okay, Madhya is there. Madhya, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we are going to read Dimagi Naxal Party's Instagram account temporarily restricted after blowing up on platforms. And created after PM Modi used the term Dimagi Naxals in his Independence Day speech. The account said two posts were removed under legal requirements. ओके, सो दिस इज अ लोगो ऑफ दिमागी नक्सल. किसको किसको नहीं पता था कल कि दिमागी नक्सल क्या होता है? दिमागी नक्सल का पेज एक इंस्टाग्राम पे आ गया है. उसमें क्या है? दिमाग यूज करो, फैक्ट्स, लॉजिक, पैट्रोटिज्म, यूनिटी, फ्रीडम ऑफ थॉट्स एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन फर्स्ट, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एंड कट क्या है? प्रोपेगेंडा से दूर रहना, हेट and anti-national bias, fake news, division. So this is a logo of Dimagi Naxal. He's created one page on Instagram. Okay. Now, yes, the party has now changed their handle on Instagram from Dimagi Naxal Party to Dimagi Naxal Party India Instagram. Okay. So yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start reading from there. Like the Instagram handle of the newly formed. Yes.
The Instagram handle of the newly formed Dimagi Naxal Party (DNP) was restrict in
Restricted.
India on Monday.
Restricted in India.
Restricted in India on Monday before becoming accessible again after being
Becoming accessible.
accessible. Becoming accessible again after being unavailable for about 2 hours in the morning. It is a creature's climbed.
Okay, done. Thank you, Mr. Abdurrahman. Okay, great. So, Mr. Abdurrahman, now you are like fine. Okay, you are not ill right now. You are feeling well. So I told,
Yes, brother.
yes. So have you read this news before or not?
No, brother, I have not read.
Yes, I got. Like अब कोई भी पढ़ेगा ना तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि उसने पहले पढ़ा है कि नहीं पढ़ा है. मैंने वहां पे न्यूज सेंड करने के बाद बोला भी था, प्लीज रीड दिस न्यूज वंस बिफोर द क्लास. किसने पढ़ा है मुझे बताओ, कोई भी ऐसा हो जिसने पढ़ा हो न्यूज को. इज देयर एनीवन who has read this news before the class? कोई है कि नहीं? Yes, please tell immediately. Yes, no. नहीं? Okay, silence means no one is there. So especially for it was for Abdurrahman and Noor Muhammad. Every day you have to read the news because you are making lots of pronunciation error or mistakes, which is very huge. Okay, so please start reading, otherwise you are not going to see any improvement. And also, Mr. Abdurrahman, you have to start reading the books. Like 4 or 5 books I have sent you. Start reading, okay?
Yes, brother. Yes, brother.
Yes, I'm also reading. Every day I'm reading. Yes, who is going to read? Yes, Madiha, can you start reading from there? Created on August 15 after.
Created on August 15 after PM Modi used the term Dimagi Nasals in his Independence Day speech. The account said two posts were removed on August 16 and 17 under legal requirement. The DNP's followers rose from to 204
2,40,000.
though 2 lakh 4,000 and
40,000.
2 p.m. to 40,000 at 2 p.m. to 27,200 by
2,72,000.
2 lakh
तुम तो कॉमर्स से हो ना?
72,000.
तुम कॉमर्स से हो ना?
ब्लर ब्लर दिख रहा है.
ओके.
ब्लर दिख रहा है.
कॉमर्स, बैंकिंग, इनको तो मतलब न्यूमेरिकल से लव होता है ना, फटाक से पता चल जाता है कि क्या है.
यस, ब्लर दिख रहा है थोड़ा, इसीलिए.
अरे ब्लर दिखेगा तो भाई वो 1 लाख 10 लाख का 1 लाख हो जाएगा. 1 0 ब्लर दिख गया तुमको तो.
By 10 p.m., its handle could not be found through Instagram search, describing the restriction as a shadow ban. On X, it wrote, "We are educated, we use brain." The party has now changed their handle on Instagram from Dimagi Nasal Party to Dimagi Nasal Party India.
Okay, yes, Madhya, good. Every like it was amazing. So you are also reading well, but it doesn't mean you don't need to read before the class. तुमने भी क्लास से पहले नहीं पढ़ा ना?
Yes. आज नहीं पढ़ी, वरना 2 दिन से पढ़ रही थी.
तो मतलब तुम्हें पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा तुम समझती हो खुद को?
नहीं, मुझे पढ़ने की जरूरत है, ऐसा लगता है मुझे.
Yes, you have to read. Okay, every day you have to read the news. Whatever the news I am sending in the group. If you need improvement, okay?
Okay.
हाँ, मैं तुम्हारे घर पे तुम्हारा हाथ पकड़ के पढ़ा नहीं सकता, ना ही मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान को पढ़ा सकता हूँ. ठीक है? तो मैं सिर्फ बता सकता हूँ कि क्या क्या एक्टिविटी है तुम्हारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है। अरे वो न्यूज़ खत्म हो गई क्या?
मिनी हाँ
हो
हो
गया
गया।
तुम्हारा, हो गया। वही न्यूज़ हम
ओके
रिपीट करेंगे, ठीक है? ओके, दिमागी नक्सल। यस, Daniel, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you please read from there, like the Instagram handle of the newly formed?
Okay. The Instagram handle of the newly formed Dimagi Naxal Party (DNP) was restricted in India on Monday before becoming accessible again. Accessible again
Accessible.
after, accessible again after being unavailable for about 2 hours in the morning. In the morning,
It's
its creators claimed.
okay, great. Yes, more. Yes.
Created on 15 created on August 15 after PM Modi used the term Dimagi Naxals in his Independence Day speech. The accounts said two posts were removed on August 16 and 17 under
Requirements.
legal
Yes.
requirements.
Hmm.
The DNP followers rose from 240,000 at 2 p.m. to 272,000 by 10 p.m. It
Alleged.
uh,
It alleged.
it it alleged its handle could not be found through Instagram search, describing the restriction as a shadow on X. uh,
On X, it
uh,
it wrote,
on X it
wrote,
wrote
wrote, wrote.
we were wrote
Hmm.
we are educated, we use brain.
Okay, yes, great, amazing. You are also reading well, but it doesn't mean like you don't
Oh,
need to read. You have to read every day the news before coming in the class. So you are going to get
oh,
more improvement, okay, in reading. Got it?
oh.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
सो
good.
नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस न्यूज। चलो इसको ट्राई करते हैं समझने के लिए। सो दिमागी नक्सल पार्टीज इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट टेम्परेरीली रिस्ट्रिक्टेड आफ्टर ब्लोइंग अप ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। दिस इज द हेडिंग। हेडिंग में क्या है कि दिमागी नक्सल जो पार्टी का इंस्टाग्राम है, अकाउंट है, वो टेम्परेरी, नॉट परमानेंट। टेम्परेरी होता है मतलब कुछ टाइम के लिए, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, उस पर बैन लगा दिया गया आफ्टर ब्लोइंग अप। ब्लोइंग अप का मीनिंग किसको पता है? Who knows the meaning of blowing up? किसी को पता है? Yes, no? Please फटाक से बताओ immediately because we don't have lots of time. We have to move next. Does anyone know?
नो सर।
Okay, blowing up का meaning होता है ना ट्रेंडिंग। कोई चीज जब ट्रेंडिंग में चली जाए, मतलब उसके बारे में लोग बात करने लगे, मतलब इंस्टाग्राम पे दिख रहा है, फेसबुक पे दिख रहा है, टीवी चैनल्स में दिख रहा है, हर जगह मतलब बात हो रही है, उसको बोलते हैं ब्लोइंग अप। गॉट इट? समझ में आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
देखो अभी मैंने ना यहाँ पे वोकैबलरी भी भेज के रखा है। आई डोंट नो किसने उसको देखा है, किसने नहीं देखा है। मतलब मैंने ग्रुप में भेजा है, ठीक है? उसको बाद में देख लेना। बाद में क्या देखोगे, पहले ही देखना था। सो लेट्स सी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस। हेलो इरम रिजवी, आर यू देयर? इरम रिजवी इज देयर और नॉट? शी इज नॉट स्पीकिंग एनीथिंग।
Blowing up.
हाँ, हेलो इरम रिजवी इज देयर और नॉट? हम्म, अरे कोई दूसरा भी बता सकता है। मिस्टर अब्दुल रहमान बता सकते हैं,
Yeah,
मदीहा
yeah.
बता सकते हैं।
She has left, brother.
When?
She has left
When?
before 2 minutes.
Okay, so why are you not telling anything like she left the meeting? Okay, so as I can see, like Mr. Madiha, Danial, Abdul Rahman, three are there. Iram
Yes,
Rizvi.
guys.
Yes, sir. I was there, but my phone again got hang. I just tried to open the mic and it not open.
Okay. Okay, so there are some problems like, okay, just after the
Yes,
class
sir.
you can just reset or restart. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So I was telling like Dimagi Naxal Party's Instagram account temporarily restricted after blowing up on Instagram. So blowing up के मीनिंग क्या है कि कोई भी चीज जब ट्रेंडिंग में होती है ना उसको हम ब्लोइंग अप बोलते हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ पे हमने मीनिंग देखा उसका, देखो ब्लोइंग अप। Blowing up is a versatile phrase that means exploding with a bomb. मतलब यहाँ पे लिटरल मीनिंग दूसरा दे दिया है, लेकिन यहाँ पे सिंपल मीनिंग है ब्लोइंग अप का ट्रेंड में कोई चीज होगी जिसके बारे में मतलब इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक और सोशल मीडिया पे ट्रेंड में चल रहा है और न्यूज आर्टिकल्स उसके बारे में आ रहे हैं, न्यूज चैनल्स उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं ब्लोइंग अप, ठीक है। यस, सो लाइक यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड द हेडिंग। हेडिंग सबको समझ में आ गया है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes.
ओके, सिर्फ तुमको ही समझ में आया
Yes, sir.
और किसी को
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
और सब लोगों को नहीं समझ में आया? आई थिंक हाँ, सबको समझ में आया? ओके, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड
Yes,
का
sir.
मीनिंग क्या है? यस मदिया, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड? प्लीज, if I'm asking anything, please reply immediately because we don't have lots of time. Okay, what is the mean of restricted? If you know, say yes, I know, this is the meaning. If you don't know, please reply immediately, I don't know, please tell. Madhya is there?
ऐसा कुछ है शायद, कंट्रोल ऐसा लिमिटेड ऐसा कुछ होता है, लिमिट ऐसा कुछ।
Okay, yes, Mr. Abdul Rahman, what is the mean of restricted? Restricted का मीनिंग क्या है?
खत्म हो जाएगा ये।
हाँ,
ये जो है ना दिमागी नक्सल पार्टी इंस्टाग्राम, इसका एकदम परमानेंटली अकाउंट नहीं है, ये खत्म हो जाने वाला।
मतलब तुम हवा में कुछ भी बोल रहे हो, हाँ? मतलब ठीक है,
बाउंड्री होती है उसके लिमिट में।
ओके, यस, इरम रिजी, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ रिस्ट्रिक्टेड?
सर रोक लगाना।
यस, सिंपल सा मीनिंग है, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड का मतलब रोक लगाना, पाबंदी लगाना किसी चीज पे, उसको बोलते हैं रिस्ट्रिक्ट। आपको बहुत सारे बोर्ड भी मिल जाएंगे, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड एरिया, रिस्ट्रिक्टेड जोन,
Yes, sir. महदूद एक जगह महदूद होना।
हाँ मतलब पाबंदी है, ठीक है, महदूद है। या प्रोहिबिटेड भी मिल जाएगा, प्रोहिबिटेड, स्मोकिंग इज प्रोहिबिटेड। यहाँ पे रिस्ट्रिक्टेड है मतलब पाबंदी लगाना। लाइक मैंने मतलब सारा वर्ड देखा, मैंने पूछा कि सबको समझ में आ गया है, लेकिन मतलब नहीं समझ में आया था। सो दिमागी नक्सल पार्टीज इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट टेम्परेरीली रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया गया, मतलब उस पर पाबंदी लगा दी गई, रोक लगा दिया गया है आफ्टर ब्लोइंग अप ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, क्योंकि वो इंस्टाग्राम पे ट्रेंड कर रहा था बहुत ज्यादा, इसलिए उसके पे रोक लगा दिया गया है। गॉट इट नाउ? समझ में आया अब?
Yes, sir.
Yes, created after PM Modi used the term दिमागी नक्सल्स। ये कब बनाया गया? क्रिएटेड मतलब बनाया गया, आफ्टर PM मोदी
Yes, sir.
यूज द टर्म। PM मोदी ने ये टर्म यूज किया है दिमागी नक्सल्स इन हिज इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पीच। 15 अगस्त के स्पीच में उन्होंने दिमागी नक्सल टर्म यूज किया है पहली बार, ठीक है, इससे पहले वो ये वर्ड नहीं था। द अकाउंट सेड 2 पोस्ट वर रिमूव्ड अंडर लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स। अकाउंट मतलब ऐसा कह रहा है कि 2 पोस्ट के बाद उस अकाउंट को लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स के लिए मतलब रोक लगा दिया गया, ठीक है। द अकाउंट सेड 2 पोस्ट वर रिमूव्ड अंडर लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स, लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अंडर 2 पोस्ट को रिमूव कर दिया गया, ठीक है। गॉट इट? ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
If you unable to understand anything, please ask me immediately. Otherwise, if I will ask to you, then you don't have to give any excuse like मुझे नहीं पता, ये हो सकता है मीनिंग। अरे हो सकता है क्या मतलब? जो वर्ड का मीनिंग है वो बताओ ना, मतलब हम दिमाग थोड़ी लगाएंगे अपना कि ये मीनिंग हो सकता है। No. Okay. So ask me immediately. Okay, if you are unable to understand anything. दिमागी नक्सल ये, क्योंकि कल ऐसा हुआ ना कि कल कुछ लोगों को पता ही नहीं था कि दिमागी नक्सल है क्या। तो आज हम ये न्यूज़ पढ़ रहे हैं ताकि तुम्हें थोड़ा न्यूज़ के बाद पता भी रहे कि क्या चल रहा है। द इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल ऑफ द न्यूली फॉर्म्ड दिमागी नक्सल पार्टी एनडीपी, ठीक है। इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल समझ में आ गया, ऑफ द न्यूली फॉर्म्ड मतलब नया नया जो बनाया गया इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल दिमागी नक्सल पार्टी वाज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड इन इंडिया, जो कि बैन कर दिया गया इंडिया में, रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर दिया गया on Monday before becoming accessible again after being unavailable for about 2 hours in the morning. रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया गया मंडे को बिफोर बिकमिंग एक्सेसिबल, इससे पहले कि वो एक्सेसिबल हो, मतलब वो एक्सेसिबल नहीं था, मतलब उसको सर्च में किसी को नहीं मिल रहा था या जिसका हैंडल है उसी को नहीं मिल रहा था। एक्सेसिबल मतलब एक्सेस में नहीं, बिकमिंग एक्सेसिबल, एक्सेसिबल मतलब एक्सेस में है। अगेन आफ्टर बीइंग अनअवेलेबल, उसके बाद क्या हुआ, वो अनअवेलेबल हो गया फॉर अबाउट 2 आवर्स, 2 घंटे के लिए, इन द मॉर्निंग मतलब सुबह में 2 घंटे के लिए वो अनअवेलेबल हो गया था, ठीक है। इट्स क्रिएटर्स क्लेम्ड, इट्स क्रिएटर्स क्लेम्ड, ऐसा क्रिएटर ने क्लेम किया, ऐसा कहा है, जिसका ये अकाउंट है उसने ऐसा कहा है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, क्रिएटेड ऑन अगस्त 15 आफ्टर पीएम मोदी यूज द टर्म, ये 15 अगस्त के बाद बनाया गया है जब मोदी जी ने ये टर्म यूज किया है, दिमागी नक्सल्स, इन हिज इंडिपेंडेंस डे स्पीच, इंडिपेंडेंस डे के स्पीच में उन्होंने जब ये वर्ड यूज किया। द अकाउंट सेट 2 पोस्ट वर रिमूव्ड ऑन अगस्त 16 एंड 17, 2 पोस्ट को रिमूव किया गया था 16 और 17 अगस्त को अंडर लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स, लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट्स के अंडर। सो आई थिंक देयर इज नो एनी हार्ड और डिफिकल्ट वर्ड, दीज आर इजी वर्ड्स। सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सिर्फ तुमको ही समझ में आ रहा है और 3 लोगों को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? यस, मदीहा एंड अब्दुल रहमान, आर यू गेटिंग? अभी मुझे मीटिंग
Yes,
में
brother.
अभी मुझे मीटिंग में सिर्फ 2 ही लोग दिख रहे हैं। यस, नाउ इट्स 3, अभी 3 लोग हो गए। सब लोग आ जा रहे हैं क्या? ओके, द DNP's followers rose from 2,40,000 at 2 PM, जो DNP है उसके फॉलोअर्स जो है वो बढ़ गए। रोज, राइज, रोज, गॉट इट? राइज मतलब बढ़ना, सेकंड फॉर्म है रोज, फ्रॉम 2,40,000
Yes.
एट 2 PM, हाँ 2,40,000 2 बजे, एंड टू 2,72,000 बाई 10 PM, और 2,72,000 10 बजे तक। इट एलिज्ड इट्स हैंडल कुड नॉट बी फाउंड थ्रू इंस्टाग्राम सर्च, और उसने मतलब ऐसा इल्जाम लगाया, ठीक है, एलिज्ड मतलब इल्जाम लगाना, कि उसका इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल जो है अभी सर्च में नहीं आ रहा है, डिस्क्राइबिंग द रिस्ट्रिक्शन एज ए शैडो बैन, उसने मतलब बताया है कि ये रिस्ट्रिक्शन जो है वो शैडो बैन है, सिर्फ मतलब अब भी ऐसे ही मतलब जनरली नॉर्मली है, ठीक है, हमेशा के लिए नहीं है। और ऑन एक्स इट रॉट वी आर एजुकेटेड वी यूज ब्रेन, ओके। सो उन्होंने एक्स पे क्या लिखा है, वी आर एजुकेटेड वी यूज ब्रेन, हम लोग एजुकेटेड हैं, हम ब्रेन यूज करते हैं। सो एवरीवन गॉट द न्यूज, लाइक यू अंडरस्टैंड द न्यूज मीनिंग, समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
okay, good. So we have completed this news, so let's move on our next part, which is speaking part. Where is Madiha? Madiha is not there.
Left.
She left. Okay, 1 minute. Let me check. Join the class again. Okay, so now what is our today's topic? Topic क्या है आज का हमारा?
Social responsibility.
Okay, social responsibility. Let me check 1 minute. अबे यार. Social responsibility. The importance of social responsibility. Okay. So our today's
Yes,
topic is the importance of social responsibility. So just Iram Rizvi and Abdur Rahman is there, and Daniel Tahir is there. So just I would like to say to Mr. Daniel Tahir, you have to listen carefully, and after that you can introduce yourself. Your today's topic is introduce yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now you can listen how we are talking every day on different topics. So 4 to 5 days, your topic will be different. Then you can also come with me. Okay, with us. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. You have to listen very carefully, like how we are talking, how they are speaking. Okay. Yes. So hello everyone. Our today's topic is the importance of social responsibility. So I hope if I have sent the topic in the group, so you all like research or read about this topic, and you have your own pointers about this topic. What is the mean of social responsibility? So, what do we understand by social responsibility? Social responsibility simply means like we are human beings. We are living in a society. Okay, we are living in a society, and there are some rules and regulations in the society. There are some responsibility in the society. Like if you are living in a home, there are also some responsibility. Like there is mother, father, child. They have their own responsibility. Like this, there are society which we are in the society, so we have to follow some social responsibility. Like there are like you can categorize in three categories. First, huge responsibility, middle responsibility, or very low responsibility. Suppose you are living in a society, and someone's home is burning. There is a got fire in his building. What is your responsibility as a social human beings? Our responsibility, you just go there and just try to just off that fire. This is the social responsibility which we have to do. And if I talk about the like middle responsibility, like if you are living in a society, and there are some people, they are putting the garbage or the waste material on the road, or in your street, or your on in your stairs. What is social responsibility? Like you can do it, just put in the dustbin, or you can also call like the cleaner, like there are some garbage, please put this. And more responsibility, what is more responsibility? Like if you are living, and there is someone who is a needy people in your society, who is needy people, he doesn't have the food, he doesn't have shelter. So what is our responsibility as a social human beings? If whatever we have, we can just help him. Like whatever the money, whatever the food, whatever you can do for him, you have to do. This is our social responsibility. So there are some categories of social responsibility. Like there are some NGOs, they are helping also. What they are doing, this is the social responsibility. If you are traveling somewhere, there is any tab, and the water is just wasting. So what is our responsibility as a human beings? We can just turn it off. So anything, like whatever the things you have or you know about the social responsibility, like what we can do for our society, this is the thing which you have to talk. Okay, anything related to the social responsibility, you can talk and speak about it. Okay, so let's start. Who is going to start first?
Samay.
Okay, yes, Iram Rizvi, you can start.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to speak on a very important topic, social responsibility. So we heard in our childhood in our books that human is also a animal. But the thing which differentiate between human and other animal is that human is a social animal. Means human lives in society. If we live in society, then it is a responsibility that we have to perform our certain duties. If we observe that society is formed by different kinds of groups of human. In society, you find people of different gender, different caste, different religion. So it's a responsibility that we have to maintain the social peace. So we have to put our efforts in a right way. I mean to say that we have to always aware about the surroundings and also serve our society. As a responsible citizen or a member of a society, it's our duty to always follow the right things which our government recommend and also protect our property also. If a government do something in your area, in your society, that may they made a park or something else like that, so it is your responsibility that you have to sure that don't make that park nasty, don't just put garbage anywhere. So if you are not following these small things, then you make your society dirty, bad. So it's about this. Now come to the mentality. As a member of society, it is your duty. You have to control your mind. Don't do anything which harm others' emotion. Respect others' belief. Like if you are belonging to one religion and someone is from another religion, so you have to promote social peace, harmony, love, affection, respect towards your society members. Not always feel that I am superior because I belong to that upper caste or something like that, which is common evils in our society. We all see that many people living in society have different kind of um, complex, like I am very rich based on race, like I am very fair, and based on religion, based on caste. So these things are not good. If you are a member of society, it's your responsibility, it's your duty that always respect others, protect others, and always spread love. If you are not doing these things, then how others show respect towards you? So this is one thing. And second thing is this, that generally we see that in society, if anything bad happened, people said that go move on, it is not happening with us. Like for example, if some bad boys, or we can say bad people, teasing a girl who is just going coaching classes or institution or anywhere, and they are teasing her, so the members around her said that just leave it, it's not our matter. It is not correct. If you live in a society, it's your responsibility that you have to protect your society member. You have to raise voice that why are you doing this thing in our society. So this is very important. I really like those people who observe the things around there and always stop people doing bad things. Because if we are not doing these kind of things, the things are not always in our favor. So, as a member of society, you have certain responsibility which you have to perform to make peaceful environment. And if you are, and if you know that something which you are doing is not liked by other people, then you have to stop it. Like if you are living in a society where many old people live, so don't play music so much loud, or don't use like crackers or anything like that which harm them. Don't do these kind of things, because if we live in a society, it also becomes like our family. If we are doing bad things, then they got harmed, then they don't like us. So this is very bad. And one thing which we have to teach our children, small kids, that anyone, for example, watchman, milkman, the man who distributes newspaper, anyone, we have to teach our kids that they have to show respect towards them, because each one, by doing their duty, contributed in society. If we disrespect them because of their profession, because of their job, so this is not good. In this way we promote social evils in society. Like in previous time, there are so many social evils, like people treat dalit people very badly, women very badly. They have no right, they don't have freedom, they live like a life worse than animal. So our freedom fighters and social reformers do so much things to change the society. If we are not protect what they give us, then we also hurt them, because they show so many sacrifices toward this. So it is our responsibility, that one thing which is specifically to males, that they have to protect the women, ensure that you will able to maintain women's security and these kind of stuff. In conclusion, I just want to say that social responsibility is all about taking care of others and socially aware, and don't promote bad things. Promote the environment of your society also. Thank you so much.
Okay, amazing. Yes, Arab Rizvi, it was great and amazing. You're also speaking very well, okay?
Thank you.
And I was listening to you very carefully, very closely, and I didn't find any mistake or any huge mistake. Yes, there was one mistake which you can correct, like so much loud instead of saying so much loud, more loudly. You can speak like this, okay? And everything is good, everything is clear. Just you have to keep practicing, keep speaking, and you are going to be fluent in English, okay?
Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay, thank you. So who next? Who is going to speak? Yes, Madiha or Abdurrahman? Please start. Yes, Abdurrahman, are you there?
Yes, brother, I am
Okay.
present.
Okay, if you are going to, yes, why were you not speaking? If I said like start.
इधर ऑन करने से नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay, please start speaking. Yes, Madiha,
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Walaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm Madhya Chaudhary, and today I want to talk about the importance of social responsibility. First thing, that what is social responsibility? Social responsibility simply means I am part of this community, so I am accountable for it. It's not just about donating money or joining an NGO. Like I am also a part of NSS, National Social Service. Like in one line, your freedom ends where someone else will being begins.
Okay. Yes, next, what happened? Have you completed? Hello, Madiha, are you there? Hello.
Hello.
We are not getting your voice.
Yes. वापस बोलिए starting से.
Yes, speak.
Today, my topic is the importance of social responsibility. Firstly, we know that what is social responsibility. Social responsibility simply means I am part of this community, so I am accountable for it. I'm also a part of NSS, like National Social Service. We all students are participate this NSS social group, and we doing the social service like we go another places, and we uh, doing the some activities like we go to the some peoples and say that do not waste waters, be neat and clean the roads, and it's like it's not just about donating money or joining an NGO. That second thing that climate change, like if we can't uh,
Yes, what would you like to say? Like,
ये मतलब जैसे हम साफ सफाई रखेंगे, इसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
we have to just keep our city or our area clean. Keep our
We have
society clean.
society clean. If we can't clean our society, we have faces many problems like mental health and unemployment, and none of this can be solved by a one person on one government. If I throw plastic on the road, like in Silvassa, it affects the river. If I forward one message, it can cause panic in thousands uh, homes. We all are all linked now. That second thing that we drive on the left side because we trust others will too. We pay for things because we trust the shopkeeper. Like we send kids to schools because we trust teachers. The moment that truck trust breaks, everything gets slower and harder. Social responsibility means that trust, build the trust. Whatever we do today, our children will do in a future. If we pollute today, that they breathe it. If we build uh, ethical companies today, that get better jobs. If we teach kindness today, they live a kind of world. Responsibility is really long term and self interest. This is where we start. Save electricities, save water, and we also help and elders, and we also be honest. And you don't need to be rich, but you just need to care. Thank you.
Okay, yes, Nadia, it was great and amazing. Like you are also speaking very well, and I listened to your speech very closely. It was amazing and fantastic. Okay, and also I would like to appreciate you were a part of NSS, National Social Service. So you know about that topic, like what is the mean of social responsibility. You have experienced. Okay, it was good and amazing. Yes, Abdurrahman, you can start speaking, and
Yes.
please keep the camera open so it will be more good while
Brother,
speaking.
मैं 20 पे हुआ
Yes, so yes, I know. Previously, you were saying like I can't open, but this is a rule which we are applying from like 3 days. There are 10 rules which is very strictly we are following.
Okay, brother. Okay.
Yes,
I'll put on
because
my picture.
if
Okay.
you are going to open the camera and you are going to speak, you will boost your confidence also.
Okay, brother. Okay, no problem.
Yes. So you can
I'm
take
going
time.
to
Yes, you can take time.
put up my
And I'm going to move to the Daniel Tahir. Okay. Hello, Daniel Tahir. Are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So now are you ready? Like you can introduce yourself, or should I introduce first myself? Then you are going to keep some pointers like, okay, how I have to introduce. Okay.
I'm going to speak, brother.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start. चलो ठीक है, अब्दुल को बोल लेने देते हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग बोलते हैं, ठीक है? यस, स्टार्ट.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to everyone.
I am unable to see
Today,
him. Rest of the students, you all are able to see Mr. Abdurrahman?
yes.
अरे मैं अब्दुल से नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, इन लोगों से पूछ रहा हूँ, ये लोग बोल ही नहीं रहे कुछ. Okay, now you are visible. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, you can start.
Okay,
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu to everyone. Today our topic name is this social responsibility in our life.
Yes.
Social responsibility means understanding our duties towards other people and society. It teaches us to care not only about ourselves but also about the well-being of others.
Okay.
We can show social responsibility in many ways, such as helping the poor, respecting others, keeping our environment cleaning, following laws,
Following.
and protecting public property. A student can also show responsibility by studying honesty, respecting teachers, also classmates, and helping people in need. Social responsibility creates a peaceful, clean, and caring society where every person performs their duties sincerely. The whole community becomes sincerely. The whole community becomes stronger and better.
Yes.
At last,
At least.
I am going to.
Okay, at last. Okay.
At least,
Yes, at
I
last.
am going
Okay.
to conclusion my topic. Social responsibility is an important part of our life. By being responsible, kind, and helpful, you can make our society a better place for everyone. Like that.
Okay. Done,
It
Mr.
is
Abdurrahman.
enough for today. Thank you so much
Okay.
for
Okay.
listening.
Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman, it was great and amazing. You speak very well. I listened to your speech very closely. Like, yes, there are some errors, like in pronunciations, there are some errors which you are facing. Okay, you will improve if you are going to read the books or the newspapers. Okay, and everything is good. You have energy, you have the confidence, and you are also serving the nation or the poor people. You are also associated with the NGO. Okay, so you know like what is the mean of social responsibility. Okay, great, amazing. Yes. So now you are looking so gorgeous. Keep the camera open always. Yes, Daniel, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like if you are going to speak, you have to open the camera. Okay. Because this is a rule which I have applied in the class. So first, I'm just going to give the introduction, my introduction in 2 minutes. Then you have to replicate the same. Okay. So yes, so listen to me very carefully. So hello everyone, good evening. My name is Shafiqur Rahman. I am from UP Siddharth Nagar, but currently I am living in Mumbai at Mumbra. If I talk about my educational qualifications, so I have done my graduation and master's degree from Aligarh Muslim University in 2024. And also I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP Madrasa Board. And after complete, and also I have some extra certifications, like I have done diploma courses, and I have learned some computer courses, and Urdu diploma, and English certifications I have also done. And I have also learned about the digital marketing skills. And after completing my graduation, I started searching for a job in Delhi. I got the job, and I have given the 50 plus interviews. After that, I got the job in Accenture, and since 2024 August, I am working with Accenture. I have completed 2 years. And if I talk about my strength, so like yes, I am quick learner. Like I learn every month one skill, and I read books. And if I talk about the weakness, so yes, if someone is going to ask to me anything, I can't say no. Okay, this is my weakness. I can understand. So yes, and if I talk about my hobbies, so I would like to create the videos on YouTube. Like if I got the time, I just create the videos and upload on the YouTube. And if I talk about my passion, so my passion is to just become a trainer of English trainer. And for this, I'm also learning lots of things every day. I'm taking lots of courses and books I'm reading. So I think that's enough for me. Thanks for today. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Yes, so like this, you have to start speaking, and don't be scared. You don't have to feel fear. There are everyone who gather here to just speak. No one is going to laugh. No one is going to say anything. We are here to speak, to become more confident. Okay, I'm also not confident. I am just improving myself day by day. There is no one who is confident. There is no one who is completely perfect. We are here. We are making the environment to speak. Anyone can speak, and anyone can be confident, feel confident, and speak. Whatever the things you in your mind it's coming, you have to just introduce yourself. Yes. And if it is possible, you can open the camera, or if it is first day, so if you are feeling shy, it is okay. Okay, it's on you. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, introduce myself. My name is H.M. Daniel Tahir. I was born and brought up in Aligarh. I completed my class 10th and 12th from UP board.
Okay.
After that, I completed my graduation and master in Aligarh Muslim University.
Okay.
After that, I completed my B.Ed from Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh University
Okay.
from Aligarh.
Okay. Okay, done.
Yes,
Okay.
done.
So yes, congratulations. It was amazing and great. Like at least you are able to speak 1 or 2 minutes. You are able to give your introduction. It's amazing. I will appreciate you. Okay, because there are someone who is unable to give his introduction in first day, but you are able to give your introduction. It means it is perfectly fine, and you are going to improve yourself. Like whatever the activities we are going to do, if you are going to follow it, okay, as you already know, like nothing is going to change without taking action. Okay, we can't change anything without taking actions. Okay, so it was great and perfectly fine. And your tomorrow's topic will be like your daily routine. You have to talk about your daily routine, what you have done in your entire day from morning till your bed. Okay.
Oh,
Yes, it was great. Okay, amazing introduction you have given. And just I
okay.
will take 2 minutes only. 2 minutes only. Oh, and then we are going to close our class. Okay. ओके, मैं आपको बाद में बता दूंगा, ठीक है। मुझे वो बताना था आपको मतलब रिकॉर्डिंग के बारे में, वो मैं आपको
Okay,
बाद
sir.
में बता दूंगा, ठीक है। सो इट्स
ठीक है,
11 राइट नाउ। ओके, सो एवरीवन, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द क्लास। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड नाइट, वी विल मीट टुमारो। Okay, signing
sir.
off.
Thank you. So, yeah, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, walaikum salam.